set on 120 private acres in southern Oregon. This property blends refined living, recreation, and true rural lifestyle. At the heart of the ranch is a custom single-level estate home, built in 2017 by Michael Pagnini. Clean lines, quality craftsmanship, soaring ceilings, and expansive windows create a warm design filled with natural light. The open living area flows to a covered patio, outdoor kitchen, pool, and spa. The kitchen features premium appliances, statement island, and spacious butler's pantry, while the primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a spa-like bath. Beyond the main home, the property includes a second 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence that provides flexibility for guests, income, or caretaker. The ranch includes multiple shops, horse facilities, and grid-tied solar system. Across the land, you'll find fenced pasture, oak savanna, rolling hills, trails, pond, and year-round water rights. For the avid outdoorsman, this property also lies within one of Southern Oregon's premier black-tailed deer hunting areas. South Obenchain Ranch and Estate offers privacy, beauty, and possibility, all in one remarkable Southern Oregon setting.